Ibang klase ng mga pagkain na maaari mong kainin kung ikaw ay may polycystic ovary syndrome or PCOS. Unang-una ay green leafy vegetables at non-starchy vegetables, katulad ng broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, bell peppers, kangkong, repolyo at pechay. Mataas ang fiber ng mga ito at mababa rin sa calories at carbohydrates, and these will support hormone regulation. Pangalawa ay whole grains, katulad ng quinoa, brown rice, whole wheat, barley, at rolled oats. Hindi yung instant oatmeal ha. Ang whole grains ay may lower glycemic index. Hindi nito mabilis na mapapataas ang inyong blood sugar levels. Makakatulong din ito to control insulin levels and support weight management. Pangatlo ay lean proteins. Chicken breast, tofu, egg, fish, katulad ng salmon and mackerel. Importante ang mga ito for building muscle at upang ma-maintain ang healthy metabolism. Pang-apat ay healthy fats. Avocados, nuts katulad ng walnuts or almonds, seeds like chia or flax seeds, pati na rin ang extra virgin olive oil. Ang healthy fats ay maaaring makabawas ng inflammation and can also improve insulin sensitivity. Ito ay mga main concerns sa mga pasyenteng may PCOS. And lastly, berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries. Packed ang mga ito with antioxidants, and they have lower glycemic index kumpara sa ibang mga prutas, which makes them good for managing blood sugar levels. Tandaan na ang PCOS ay isang lifestyle disease.